Best hotel in town, everything excellent. Keep up. Hotel Pilihan Sesuai yang Disbanding Hotel Santika Premiere Semarang dan Nyaman untuk ditempati. Great experience. Santika always has been my family and my choice when comes to Semarang. Please keep up the good work. Exceptional bagus, dekat dari mana tu, staff rumah. Excellent stay, fantastic place to stay. Exceptional, excellent hotel. Hotel YG Nyaman. Lokasi Hotel Strategis di Simpang 5. Dekat dengan pusat kuliner Semarang. Pilihan semua staff ni bagus. KMR termasuk besar untuk ukuran executive room king. Semua baik. Sarapan JG kukupi anak dan naik pilihan. Sangat baik untuk kedua kalinya menginap di sini. Semuanya okay. Dekat ke Simpang 5. Staff yang ramah, sarapan okay, parker gak ribet. Exceptional selalu Hotel Santika YG Dikari jika Pepergian. Lokasi Sargent dekat dengan Simpang 5 dan tempat oleh tu Semarang. Old hotel but great maintenance. Old hotel in the heart of city. You can walk to Simpang 5, which famous area in Semarang. The hotel very well maintained, staff are so polite and nice. Room are clean, amenities complete. Hot water run well. Excellent stay. We had an excellent stay at HSP. Location was perfect, with easy access to anywhere you wanted to go. Friendly staff. Exceptional. Nyaman Lokasi Pusat Kota, dekat dengan Masjid Kebersihan, ok facilitas, ok staff, ok. Worth. Strategis BG Tiliksani, Ada Pulyud Duasa dan Anak, Sarapan JG Variatif dan Anak. WLPN Hotel Lama, TP Interiornya separately sudah direnovasi JD LBH Modern. Menu routes I worth BG Tingent di sini.